Well, 6 days after Hurricane Hermine battled Florida's Gulf Coast, thousands are still without power this evening and some without their homes altogether. Areas west of Gainesville like Steinhatchee and Cedar Key had the most damage, but people there could be getting help from the state and federal governments. Channel 4's Vic Micolucci, who spent days covering the hurricane, tells us how.
Federal damage assessment crews are in the hardest hit parts of Florida, working with state response teams. Right now, they're in Levy, Dixie, and Taylor counties. After that, they'll head to other areas like Leon, Wakulla, and Franklin counties, as well as Citrus, Hernando, and Pasco to make sure that they can help the people who need it the most.
And it went from 6 inches of trickle to 6 feet of water.
As the floodwaters rushed in, this couple had to get out and get out fast. They grabbed their 2 dogs and hopped onto their kayaks.
We paddled through our backyard and through the people behind us backyard to the front yard and then just paddled right to the grocery store. That was dry land.
We met them early Friday morning at an emergency shelter in Steinhatchee when Hermine was at her worst. Days later, the waters have gone down, but times are tough.
This is the inside of the house. That's the refrigerator.
Lynn Charlton says everything is ruined.
It's about right here.
The water rose to 4 feet inside her home, which sits over a lagoon. She just bought the house 2 months ago, and her insurance company dropped her coverage last month.
It's really hard, and I don't think people understand that besides just the devastation of losing your home, you've lost all your memories as well.
She's not the only one without a home. People up and down the Gulf Coast were affected by the hurricane. State and federal emergency teams are now surveying the damage.
We have assessment teams in some of the most hardest affected counties, Taylor, Dixie, and Levy.
FEMA crews are spread out in some of the hardest hit areas.
And that is oftentimes the first step in the process for a governor to make the request for federal disaster assistance.
It's help people like Lynn Charlton say they need so badly right now.
Now, as you can see, it's pretty much gone. Everything's, it's just a mess.
Charlton has a donation account online to get her a new home, car, and clothes. We've posted that link on our website, news4jax.com, as well as information about how you can donate to other people affected by the storm. I'm Vic Micolucci, Channel 4, the local station.